HELIOS Flexi Cap Fund. Will this fund add more returns to your portfolio, or is this going to add more risk to your portfolio? Let us analyze in detail. NFO of this fund is open till November 6, 2023. The minimum investment in this fund is just 5,000 rupees. There is an exit load of 1% if you are planning to withdraw before 3 months. After 3 months, there is no exit load at all. The investment objective of this fund is to generate capital appreciation by dynamically investing in a mix of equity related instruments across market capitalization, that is a large, mid and small cap stocks. The benchmark index for this particular fund is Nifty 500 Total Return Index. The fund is going to be managed by Mr. Alok Bal. There is no entry load for this. We have seen key features of this NFO. Before going to analyze this NFO, we need to understand what is a flexi cap fund. A flexi cap fund will generally invest across market capitalization. There is no restriction for the fund manager to limit himself to one market capitalization. He can invest in small cap, he can invest in mid cap, he can invest in large cap. He can also change the allocation anytime. The fund manager can generate alpha through right allocation and right selection. How much to be allocated in each sector, how much to be allocated in each capitalization. He has got complete freedom. Also, in each and every capitalization and each and every sector, what stock to select, that freedom is also available with the fund manager. By doing right allocation and right selection, he will try to generate alpha for the investor. Because in a flexi cap fund, the fund manager can invest in large, mid and small. It gives him flexibility. If large cap outlook is good, he can invest more in large cap. If small cap outlook is good, he can invest more in small cap. The fund manager can change the weightage anytime, from large to mid to small. He can change anytime. There is no particular time frame after which he has to do it. He can do it now and then, as and when needed for him, he can do it. Having seen what is the flexi cap fund, now is the time to see what are all the potential merits of this particular fund. HELIOS Flexi Cap Fund NFO has got the potential to give long-term capital appreciation in the long run. Means 7 years plus kind of time frame is what we need to invest for this particular fund. Being a flexi cap fund, they can invest across any market capitalization, across any sector. Better diversification is possible. Third, this fund can take advantage of the changing market cycle. Based on the market cycle, the fund manager can choose to invest overweightage with large cap or overweightage with any other capitalization. He can also take advantage of the sectoral outlook and increase sectoral allocation in one particular sector and reduce allocation in another sector. In the long run, being an equity fund, this fund has got the potential to deliver inflation beating return. Fine, as an investor, what is more important is to understand the risk parameters in this fund. So what are all the potential demerits of this fund? Being an equity fund, this fund is not suitable for your short-term investments. If you have got only 1 year, 2 year, 3 year money, please avoid investing in this fund, because in the short run, market can crash, market can correct. So there's a high probability this fund can deliver negative returns in the short term. So please avoid investing your short-term money. If you are a conservative investor or a first-time investor, do you have to invest in this fund? Being a flexi cap fund, suitable for your core portfolio, suitable for conservative investor. However, if you want to avoid small cap, being a conservative investor, this fund is not for you, because flexi cap fund has got exposure to small cap also. There are also two more reasons why a conservative investor should avoid this fund. Number one is, this fund is not having any portfolio as of now, because it is an NFO. Only after the NFO closure, then the fund manager will try to construct the portfolio. So we are not knowing what kind of stocks the fund manager will select. Is he going to apply bottom up or top down? We don't know. What kind of sectoral allocation he is going to give? We don't know. Without looking at portfolio, we are not able to analyze the proper risk quotient of this fund. Second reason why it is not suitable for a conservative investor, this fund is not having any track record. Because there is no track record, we are not able to analyze how this fund will behave during a bull market, how this fund will behave during a bear market, how the fund manager will change his investment style. We don't know. So there is no portfolio, no track record. We are completely taking a blind risk. We are not able to take a calculated risk. As we are not able to take calculated risk, this adds up more risk to your portfolio. Okay, we have analyzed both merits and demerits of this fund. As an investor, can I invest in this fund or not? It depends upon what kind of investor are you. So the final takeaway is, if you are a conservative investor, please avoid investing in this fund till it builds a good portfolio and good track record. Also, if you want to invest in a flexi cap fund, there are existing flexi cap funds with good portfolio and good track record performance. So there is no meaning in choosing a fund with no track record. If you are an aggressive investor and you want to invest on an experimental basis for your spare money, then in that case you can try this fund with a minimum investment. Before considering to invest in these kind of investment schemes, it's better to consult your financial planner, because financial planner will check what is the investment objective of this particular fund, what is the investment objective of you as an investor, what is your financial goal, are they both matching, what is the risk quotient of this particular fund, and what is the risk profile of you as an investor, are they both matching, what is the portfolio of this fund, and what is the existing portfolio you already have through mutual funds and direct stocks, are they overlapping or not, what kind of allocation can be given for this particular fund in your overall portfolio. All these things your financial planner or a mutual fund distributor will be able to suggest you. That is why please consult your financial planner before investing in these kind of schemes. If you are looking for any initial discussion, consultation, or investing in mutual fund support or investing in mutual fund, feel free to book an initial consultation with us. There's a link given below this video in the description. Please spare your time. Our certified financial planners are ready to discuss with you. I'll again meet you in yet another video. Thank you. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.